So hey guys, I'm Sarthak back with another video. Today I have a solution to a problem that most of you have been facing, which is making a YouTube intro video that is without any watermark and at full HD resolution. As most of the YouTube videos on this topic have some issue with them, like some have watermarks or others maxed out at 360 pixels or just time consuming and difficult to make. Well, that's not the case here guys. I promise you at the end of the video you will be satisfied and smiling. That's what she said. Let's get started. Okay guys, so for this video we are going to use the software called LightMV. The website link will be given in the description, so you can open that up just like this. So yeah, this is the website. As you can see, there's like a variety of intros. Go to templates and you can see like loads of different types of intros, different sorts and whatnot. Right, they're really cool. Just to show you what one of these intros looks like, I'll just open one of them up. Yeah, so as you can see, this is like really cool, and making this kind of animation ourselves is gonna take a lot of time. So I would say this is actually a better and much more easier way to use to make a YouTube intro. But the website uses something called Lollies as a currency. Now we don't have any Lollies, we have to buy those things. Well, now I have a solution to that. You don't have to buy any Lollies. You can get about 60 Lollies for free, which equals to one intro video at full HD resolution and no watermarks whatsoever. So first what you have to do is log in on the website with your Google account. Go ahead, log in whatever account you have. Like I'm gonna use this one, Tiny Tech Tips. Once you're logged in, as you can see, I got 0 Lollies here. Now to make a video, I need about 60 Lollies to make one video at 1080p resolution. Now how do I get those Lollies? Well, it's very easy and simple guys. What you have to do is go down in the description and you'll see a link that says free Lollies here. Click on that. Once you click on it, you'll reach on this page. Cool. So after reaching here, as you can see, this page is gonna get you free Lollies whatsoever. You have to come down here. You see this. You have to go ahead and click on the giveaway site and register as a free account user. Once you click at the giveaway site, it will open this page. Click on get it now. As you can see, now I've got 59 Lollies in my account, and now I can go and make my own video. I say use Lollies. I got 59 Lollies right here guys for free. Now that equals to one whole video. I'm gonna show you how to make a video too guys, so don't worry about that. So for you guys, I'm gonna make a video too, so that you guys don't have any problem. So let's go with this one. I guess you guys like it too. So let's go ahead and edit it. I'm gonna write Tiny Tech Tips. Okay. I don't need a slogan right now. Let's produce. It's gonna take a little time guys, but don't worry about that, it's easy. And here we have the video ready. So as you guys are seeing, there's a watermark over here. No worries, I can remove that, no problem, because of the Lollies I got. Go here, and as you can see, it says HD resolution without a watermark, 1080p. Go ahead, give the 59